Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set up the Instagram comment privacy settings. So first of all, go to your settings here in your profile, swipe to the right, and then go to settings, go to privacy, and here you will find an option which says comments. So here you have different options. Do you want to allow people to comment on your posts? Here, as you can see right now, I have my settings set to everyone, so everyone can comment on my picture, on my posts. I can set that people you follow and your followers will be able to comment on my pictures. I can set only people I follow to be able to comment on my posts, or my followers. This can be a very useful feature if you want to set the people you want to communicate with, engage in your comments. Here you can block specific people from commenting on your posts. Here you can set up filters. For example, hide offensive comments. Automatically hide comments that may be offensive from your posts, stories, reels, and live videos. So this is a very useful feature to keep your profile family friendly. It will block any curse words, any bad words. Hide more comments. With this feature, you can hide more specific comments. Or manual filter. Here I can add phrases that I think are offensive or I don't want to talk about on my Instagram, and basically it will block all the comments containing this word. So this way you can set up your Instagram profile for your best preferences to have a nice and engaging discussion with your followers. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please consider subscribing because that would be really helpful for me. And see you in the next video. Bye.